Microphone. Hello, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus. I just made a little mistake. Most of you won't know. I don't think anyone will know. I should have just kept my mouth shut. It's easy to make mistakes with the. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, a ding ding. A ding a ding. A ding.
Ding 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 ding.
Bitcoin. Time to order some more Kukerman. Time to order some more Kukerman. This is supposed to be really good for. This is not medical advice, not financial advice. It's supposed to be a really good anti-inflammatory. There are some concerns. If you have kidney problems, always consult your doctor. Taking a little caffeine pill for a little pep. Taking a little chelated super beak, or is it chelated or no methylated? I don't even know what the difference is, but what chelate doctor? One of the doctors on YouTube told me this is the one to get. He's a pretty cool bro. He's pretty hardcore animal carnivore diet though. I respect the carnivore diet. Anyway, a ding ding. I get these glasses on just to look smart. Let me choke down these pills real quick. Does it make me look smart? Does it make me look sexy? I think it does a little bit of both, right? They look crooked. Anyway, link down below to my masterclass. Coupon code expires by the end of the stream. You don't want to miss it. These glasses look crooked. It's driving me nuts. I have to have everything right angles. I don't even need them on. So, yeah, link down below to the masterclass. Coupon code expires tonight. You don't want to miss out. I got the psychology of being a pimp, how to be a hustler, how to go from zero to millionaire, all these different classes. They're all for the low cost of hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button. Anyway, the stock market, the stock market was, oh my goodness, we got some breaking news. Yeah, man, last night, so first of all, the stock market, the NASDAQ, the E-mini S&P, all that shit was exploded yesterday. And then, the futures closed at I don't know, 2 Pacific, somewhere around that. The futures close around 2 Pacific. And they opened back up and they were up. I mean, they weren't up huge, but they were up. And they were up a lot of the night. And then all of a sudden, boom! Atomic bomb drop. I think Credit Suisse is having a problem. That's the word on the street. I haven't validated. Anyone? Let's see. Why is this? Let's just do why is the stock market down today? Breaking stock news. Stock market, Dow falls after Credit Suisse adds pressure to already troubled banking. Yeah, so Credit Suisse is having some problems, and it's looking like that was just a little pump or dump, little FUD head fake maybe. Oh no! All right, so the NASDAQ, just 2 minutes ago, this thing was only down 50. Now it's kind of bouncing all over the place. So I have to Coinbase. All right, so man, should I get out of my Coinbase position? Let's take a look. I'm up $234. I could get out right now with a win. I don't know what's gonna. what do we got? We got next week. I think next week the Fed's going to give us a rate hike announcement. When is that shit? Rate hike. This is why I'm a really good engineer. I know how to Google shit and I know how to read it. You think I'm joking, but I'm not. All right, live updates. Why does the Fed now date? Let's see. Market expects on February 1st. What is the date of the next Fed Reserve meeting? March 21st, 22nd. So that's next week. So are we getting a rate? Yeah, so I think next Wednesday. Don't they do it on the second day? Yeah, March 22nd, right here at 1800 GMT. That's gonna be 1 PST. I have no idea. No, it'll be 11 a.m. right? It's not that I'm really good at calculating that. I just kind of remember it always being 11 a.m. PST. Let's see. Yeah, look at I'm a freaking genius, guys. I'm a freaking genius. All right. Let's see what's going on. The Nasdaq down 105, E-mini S&P down 56, gold at 1922. A little bit of flight to safety still, up $12. That ain't gonna make the ladies holler. We need $2,000 gold to make the ladies holler. What say you, Costco? What price does gold need to be? HG. What is that? Copper? Yeah, copper. You can get into copper's cheap. Copper is like the meme coins of precious metals. You can get into copper for $3.90. Could you imagine if copper was the price of gold? Nutty gas down 10 cents. The 10-year, the 2-year, both down. The 2 years down a lot more. The yield curve is the yield curve flattening out? Maybe. Bonds, holy shit. Bonds are up 2 full points. 2 points and 2 ticks. And do I not? Yeah, notes up a little over a point. You know what? You know what they say, boys and girls. Bonds go up. Bonds go up. Rates go down. A lot of chatter that, it was going to be a 50 BPS and now the blah, 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 blah. The market's pricing in this percent. Bonds at 132 plus. I wouldn't be surprised if it's a Lady Gaga pause. All right. Coinbase ticking up, man. Is the Nasdaq? No. Why is Coinbase might be actually pumping because Bitcoin's pumping now. Some miners, one miner green, one miner red, 2 miners red. But I mean barely. They're basically flat. Tesla down $2.30-ish cents. Man. I don't know what I want when it comes. Like, I kind of want to add 100 shares of Coinbase to my portfolio, and that's why I got into this position. But if I could turn, this portfolio was pretty tapped out when I had 350 shares of Tesla. I sold 50 of those shares at $201. If I can position myself to own 400 shares of Tesla, I'm pretty good with that. Owning Tesla, owning Coinbase, I think has. You want to start talking 10, 20, 30? Dude, Coinbase is a 10x, in my opinion. Excuse me. There's a lot of risk, though. There's a lot of risk in crypto. Exchanges go down. They get attacked. There's big players out there trying. It's like I never seen that movie Let There Be Oil, but it was isn't it basically a bunch of oil barons murdering people for the control of oil? Out in California, there's this really rich bro that owns a lot of water. There's a lot of shady. There was a movie about it, I think, on Netflix or something. A lot of killing going on for water. There's probably a lot of killing going on for Bitcoin, and I don't mean like actual murder. Ricky, yeah, Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? Didn't I say let there be blood? Why are you saying that with the question mark? Isn't that the name of the movie? I should go watch that. I hear that's pretty good. I started watching Everything Everywhere All at Once again last night. So it's my third viewing. I made it about another hour. It's okay. I might finish it tonight. Be Blood? Yeah, 2007, bitch. You said, oh, let there be oil. Let there be these nuts in your mouth. How do you like them apples, Ricky? Did you know if you've seen everything, everyone, everywhere, everything, whatever the fuck the name of that, everything, everywhere, everyone, everything, everyone, whatever, right? You know the chick's husband. You know who that is. You're never gonna guess who that is. You're never, unless you've already know the story. You're bricked. You're bricked because I'm putting my nuts in your mouth. All right. If you know who the husband is and Everything Everywhere, is that the name of it? Everything Everywhere All at Once, Mr. Jones. Ricky knows. He's also in Goonies, right? But he's short round. Yeah. Good for you. Good.
Oh, good for you.
Haven't
and how
dropped
was
that
it?
one in a while.
I hope it was fucking good because it's useless now, isn't it?
All right. Stock market. I feel like it's going to go green. I feel like the stock market's going to go green. Let's see what's going on in crypto. We got really excited yesterday. I had such an adrenaline shot that I made the stupid announcement that Bitcoin's going to go to 40,000 plus in April. You know what? I'm going to hold on to that hopium. Anyway, the big number is that we discussed. Bitcoin's got to get above this 25,183 ish and close above it. 20. Trying to get the exact figure. It's right here, maybe. High 25,250. Oh man, it closed at 25,250. Oh, the high was 25,250 twice in a few day period. Today 25,196. All right, we can go to this. Go like this. So this is definitely showing like major support. We get above this and hold it. That's going to be good for the good kids. I did this right here. But what I really meant was this right here. Nothing's changed. All right. Yeah, that's exactly what I meant. This chart has not changed. I honestly, guys and gals, I created this chart right here way back in 2020. I came all the way over here. I added this line and I went like that. And I cannot believe how amazing I am. All right. Ethereum 1681. I'm itching to trade. I am itching to trade, and there's no real reason to, other than, if anything, like I should wait for. All right, we're gonna watch. We're gonna watch Bitcoin and Ethereum today. I might get in a trade, just because it's fun. It's something to do. I don't have any special insight, right? It's a coin toss. It's a coin toss with the house against me because I'm paying a carrying cost to put the trade on. So it's great. It's less than a 50-50. It's less than a 50-50 shot. It's like a 49 sliding down % shot if I go leverage long. It's a little bit of fun, right? Nothing crazy. I got a couple $100 out there. It's a little hydrocortisone, soothes the itch. All right, let's see what else is going on. ADA pushing 34 cents. Atom 1269. Radiant. I'm getting really excited about Radiant. I talk about them a bit. I want to reinforce, right, how I am, like, most of my stuff is just in what I consider quality coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano is like the bulk of my holdings, right? If I were to give advice, which I don't, like if someone wanted to get into crypto, first I'd look them in the face and say, look, it's really hard. You're probably going to get chewed up, right? There's a lot of lions out there, and you look like a sheep. You look like lambs to the slaughter, bro. Like, you're probably going to get fucking destroyed because you can't handle the volatility. You probably got this money that you got set aside for something you really need, and you're trying to YOLO it in and, get a little 3 to 5 to 10x, because that's what all these YouTubers tell you it's easy to do. But you're probably just going to get chewed up and shit out. Isn't that how that expression goes? You're going to get chewed up and shit out? I think I just invented that. Oh, that was close. I almost spilt my bubbly all over my wonderful desk with just a little drop. But it would be like, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy at these prices. Just keep buying. It's got to be money. It's got to be disposable income. And you just got to buy with if you can have a 5, 10, 15, 20 year outlook on this, and you're not just doing this to, like, it's kind of a savings account for a vacation in the futures. If you can legitimately just tuck, like I'm buying, is it gone through yet? Let's check. It's actually it's a little good that Bitcoin pulled back. If I would have bought this yesterday, I wouldn't have got as many sats. I don't think the order went through yet. Let's see. Bitcoin. Maybe it did. Do I need the glasses again? My eyes are feeling. All right. I don't think it went through. Bought Bitcoin. 100. No, it hasn't gone through yet. It'll somehow magically. Coinbase is going to wait for the top tick of Bitcoin today before the order goes through. Ethereum's going down a little bit. Ethereum's negative. Do we short it? Do I short Ethereum? Do I long Ethereum? What do I do here? Oh, wait. All right, so it's coming down to this support at 1666. Let's see what happens at this support and resistance. I'd be tempted. Let's look at the hourly. All right, there's a support line, but there's also the 50. The 50 on the SMA, the 50. So it's kind of like, oh, and then there's also the 20. We get, and then there's also this, what is this line? There's also this line. Yeah, I don't think much is going to happen in crypto. It's looking like it's continuing to bleed down a little bit. Is the stock market continuing? Yeah, the stock market is not looking like it's picking up much. Coinbase. Why is Coinbase so freaking strong? It's up $2. I'm actually positive on this put now. I got to let it play out. If anything, maybe we had a little covered call into this strength. It would be a synthetic covered call. It'd be a strangle. All right. Strangle, synthetic covered call. They're kind of the same thing. I know. I'm not making any sense to you. They're not made up. Man, I can get. Oh, I'm looking at Tesla. No wonder. Man, if I had the. Let's see. Start 5,000. 11,876. So I can only do. I would have to do. I'm getting so close. I'd have to go to like right here, and I'd only get 89 cents. I mean, it's 89 cents of free money. There's no chance Tesla's going to $115, right? In the next 37 days, not financial advice, but this is free money. There's no way Tesla's going to 115. I don't have the buying power to do this right now because it's tied up in this Coinbase put. We can do this. Nope, I want 1/3 the width of strikes. Where can I get that at? 170, 180. Do I have the buying power for that? I do. Do we put on? We put on an iron condor? There's no way. Oh, that's $10 wide. No wonder. No, there's no way I get that filled. Let's try this. And let's try this. Nope, let's try that. I'll take it. That's not gonna fill. We'll give it the college try. Probably gonna have to lower the credit on that to like, oh yeah, now it's down to 158. If I can get it filled at like 159, a little bit less than 1/3 the width of strike. Whoa, we're filled. We did not get price improved. All right, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna close this bitch out at 50% profit. Go to cancel. We got $1.59 credit. We're gonna buy it back for 75 cents, making close to $1. Max loss on this would be like $321. $5 minus the. How much credit did we get? Max loss on this would be, we got 159. So max loss on this would be $341. $5 minus $1.59. Boring. All right. Now it's hard. Oh, we can go over here to the chain. Iron Condor. We're down $2 on that already. All right. Now on the Coinbase put, we're up $266 from when we first started the strangled. We rolled up the put. Jonathan in the house. How you doing, brother? Heyo. All right. Let's pop back on over to crypto. Cardano, Atom, Render, Radiant, Ergo $1.43. I like Ergo. I like its story. I own a little bit of Ergo. Osmosis, man. Atom. I like the only reason. I don't know about Atom. I don't know about Cosmos. It's my fourth biggest holding, but I don't know, like 2-3%. You know, it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano by a lot percent, and then all the way down. Atom's maybe worth like 2-3% of my portfolio. I like it. It pays 20%. It's kind of a boring ecosystem. I know Farnswoggle P. Horsetooth would be steaming at the ears if he heard that. I don't know. They got a lot of cool things on their roadmap. We'll see how it plays out. Their IBC is pretty cool, but Osmosis, boring. I don't remember if I have anything on Osmosis right now, but it's been boring. Stranger in the house. How you doing, brother? All right. Blue face. Blue. What is this again? You goddamn. What was it? What face? Blue smiling face. Face blue white eyes. Do you not get? Why do you always do that? Are you not getting enough oxygen when you sleep? I would suggest a CPAP. I use a CPAP. A lot of people's CPAPs are life-changing. For me, it's like, I got a little bit more energy, I guess. Sun's coming up pretty soon. I got to go out and get my cortisol hit. All right, Polkadot, $6.14. Matic, just another Matic Wednesday. Just another Matic Monday. Just another Matic Monday. No one's going to know that. Chill Baggins would get it. All right, LCX. Ooh. No wonder Retro's not in the house today. LCX getting destroyed a little bit. Look at this free fall on the Osmosis chart. Binance, shit chain. Solana, FeFi, Bobana, Solana, $20.37. Lolana. Solana is do I have Solana as a garbage chain? Because if I don't, we need to fix that. AVAX. Okay. Oh, there we go. This chain is garbage. Yeah. Why is that not on this chart? Why is that? Wait. Oh, because we're on the hourly. No wonder. This chain is utter trash. Take out the trash. Ah, look at that. Solana is good. Nah, Solana is garbage, bro. Solana is, oh, it is on here. Solana is double garbage. It's garbage. Why is Solana good? They've lied to you the entire time. They lied to you about TPS. The chain requires like duct tape. Have you ever seen like one of those old war movies where like the Navy crew's in a submarine and like pipes keep bursting and they have to keep clamping them to spring the leaks? That's Solana. That's Solana. Solana makes me money. No, if you're making money off it, there's money. There's still money to be made over there, but I'm not. Could you make a lot of money on Solana in the next bull run? Could Solana eventually be a good chain? Maybe. But as of right now, it's garbage. It's a garbage blockchain. I'm not saying you can't make money like Avalanche, garbage blockchain. You can make money, right? This isn't about whether you can make money. I just don't invest in garbage for the most part. And if I offend you because that's your favorite chain, tough shit. We don't always have to agree, right? A lot of people, I love Cardano. A lot of people hate Cardano, right? Mostly because of tribalism or they hate Charles Haskinson. Hey, look, I get you can get annoyed by Charles Haskinson. I love Charles Haskinson, and he annoys the shit out of me quite frequently. ICP. Oh wait, Radiant, Render, Quant. I Quant care. Render showed up on an AI list. I don't know that is rendering graphics AI? What's the name of that shit where you can have pictures made by OpenAI chat? Like, are they doing some OpenAI shit where it'll render pictures for you? Then maybe. Anyway, I think Render's probably going to be the number one in their space. They got partnerships with Apple, I think. I'm pretty sure they got some shit going on over there. We had Chillbaggins drive by their offices. They do exist. Near, another garbage chain. Aptos. I really don't know what to think about Aptos. I mean, Aptos is likely a garbage FOMO chain. The Solana killer. Aptos is the Solana killer. Why would you want to invest in a garbage killer? I mean, I could code Solana killer by the end of this stream. Like, if I'll pull up Python right now and code a better blockchain than Solana. Gala, one of Jonathan's favorite. Arweave, we love Arweave over here. Phantom. Phantom is like one of those, like, they got some decent shit. They got decent technology. And I don't know, right? There's just not enough there to excite me. I know there's a lot of like hardcore Phantom people. The best piece of advice I can give you, and I can give you this as advice because there's no financial to it. Don't get in these echo chambers. Don't get in these YouTube echo chambers. Like CryptoCito is an echo chamber for Cosmos. And I think CryptoCito is a good YouTuber. I think he just gives facts. It just like, so it's a little harsh saying but he's only going to say good things about Cosmos, right? I'm saying the extreme good things. Like, there's huge echo chambers with Cardano that just spew some of the most spiked Kool-Aid sipping bullshit I've ever heard in my life. They're hanging on to things that were kind of relevant 4 years ago. Oh, gas fees. And the big thing now is how liquid staking and Ethereum says sound money, but you can't, it's not really liquid and you can't unstake it. Now there's on and on and on and on, dude. A lot of that shit is just echoey noise. It doesn't matter, right? You have to be born in a barn, dropped on your head and kicked by a donkey to not realize Ethereum is likely to be massive AF, right? It's got it first to market, great devs. Vitalik, a little goofy, but smart AF. It had some of the other greats help build it. Dr. Charles Haskinson, Dr. Regurgitating Ya Gavin Woods, Metcalfe's Law, Network Effect, Layer 2s, Layer 3s, app rollups, app chains, Layer 3s, like sharding coming soon. Sharding. I just sharded my pants. You'd have to big banks, big money, USDC, Circle, JP Morgan, Consensus. Are you that dumb, right? That you're gonna Kool-Aid sip your little layer one that at best case is going to be number 2 to the 17 million pound gorilla in the room. Ain't a goddamn thing flipping Ethereum, right? Anyone tells you that their chain's an Ethereum killer are going to flip Ethereum, unsubscribe, unprescribe. The only way Ethereum is going to be killed is if like there's some black swan event that I can't even imagine. But it's just likely not going to happen. It's just likely not going to happen. I just want things that move fast. Well, that's what layer 2's for. Ethereum, Cardano is boring. I don't agree with you there. Cardano's a little slow. Cardano's faster than Ethereum, but slower than most. The one thing you got to keep, it's a long-term vision and mindset you got to remember here. Solana's fast, but it breaks, right? You might have money out there and you can't even touch it, or like, what happens if there's a crisis and your money's locked on a DEX and you can't do shit because Solana's down, right? They chose speed over security and stability. Cardano and Ethereum choose decentralization and security and are working on the speed, right? And they're getting faster. Cardano's got a lot of stuff in the pipeline to fix that. Ethereum has layer 2s. You can do almost anything you want on layer 2s on Ethereum. Arbitrum, fast and cheap. Optimism, fast and cheap. I use them all the time. I freaking love it. The only thing you're not going to get on Ethereum layer 2s is the fucking blue chip NFTs. But if you're buying a $70,000 NFT, who the hell cares if you're paying $150 in gas, right? That's a first world problem if I've ever heard one. Cardano is boring-ish. But I'm making a lot of money over there, and it's getting exciting. India is paying me. MinSwap is paying me. TVL should come flooding in. You know, I have my eye on that. If the TVL doesn't come flooding in, I've already told you I'm going to be taking a big chunk of my money out of Cardano. Because Ethereum is almost the easiest money out there. Not financial advice. Ethereum, not financial advice, is the best investment risk versus reward on the planet, in my opinion. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Tesla. You got a 5-10 year outlook, 15-20 year, and you just keep buying, especially during the bear markets or the dips. You know, you understand the 4-year cycle in Cardano. If you're 20 years old, working at Taco Bell, don't buy as much weed. Don't buy as much. Stop smoking. Live with your parents. And buy $25 of Bitcoin a month, right? And then as you improve your skills and get better jobs, don't get into credit card debt. And this is all in my masterclass down below. Coupon code expires tonight. I'll give it to you for free. I'll give you a little taste for free right now. But just invest. Try not to spend a bunch of money on alcohol and girls, right? You know, don't make all the mistakes I made, basically. I should write a book of my life, and then it would be a top seller, but you would have to understand, you would have to read the book and just basically do the opposite of everything I did in my life. Cardano's also got some really exciting... Hey-o, Kosk in the house. How you doing, sister? My life! Cardano has some exciting AI with Singularity, with NewNet. I love some NewNet, NTX, machine learning, open source, chat GPT stuff going on over there. Here's my my Windows subsystem for Linux. I've installed Ubuntu. This weekend, I might try and get a NewNet node up and running. I'm pretty excited about that. My life! All right. Who did you think that sounds like? Because it's supposed to be Dave Chappelle. Who did you say that sounded like, Ricky? Who does that remind you of? Let's see what's going on Cardano. If anyone out there is listening... No, God damn it. Did I forget to start? Oh, wait. This is yesterday. Yesterday, my apologies to anyone watching. It's kind of a messed up... Oh, look at this guy. He's stealing my thumbnail with the little clown nose. Matt Kors. Oh, R. Kelly. That's right. I should ban you. I forgot to hit the double stream on Rumble yesterday. If anyone's out there you know, give it a little high. Only one watching right now. That's probably me. You like my little pet bear? Yesterday we were a little excited. Even Chad Knight hung around most of the stream because he was so fucking excited about Bitcoin exploding. Oh, I'm discussing. Look at this. I'm discussing Bitcoin. I forgot to copy the D. Let's give this a thumbs up. All you got to do, if you're on Rumble in the Jumble, just hit that little thumbs up right there. You could do the same thing over on YouTube. It looks like only one of you lazy people. You know what's annoying? I can put up a poll right now, and most of you will vote, but I can't get you to hit the goddamn thumbs up. All right. Let's see what's going on in. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see. You know what? Let's check the Discord. Any announcements? Quinta, Chains of War. This will probably be a stupid announcement. Minor announcement. We are thrilled to announce between two innovative gaming, Chains of War and Speed Throne. All right, that sounds stupid. What is Speed Throne? This looks like what was that Lamborghini shit we did over on Harmony One, Harmonyville or some shit? Yeah, this is starting to get some of that goofiness over. Where's a link to Speed Throne, bro? Like, my God. Pull your head out of your asses over here. What does a World of Warcraft like game have to do with Lamborghinis? Look at this. Porsches, like, this is probably the same team over on Harmony One coming over to Cardano to rug pull. It's starting. The garbage is starting. All right. What do we got here? No, I ran it twice. Who is that sexy mofo? Nothing. Radiant. I posted in the Discord about this. I'm actually pretty excited. I'm doing a little bit of research on it. But I don't know if I finished my thought earlier, but yeah, I was talking about Radiant and how much I love the team over there. They're extremely communicative. They have office hours like every week on Twitter. Their best and brightest get on there. And you can tell they know what they're doing. They're doing really good things as a lending and borrowing platform. They're a clone or a fork of Aave, if I remember correctly. They're working towards version 2 that's coming out pretty soon. They're going into the balancer pool instead of Sushi Swap. My understanding that's an 80-20 pool, and it'll be using Wrap Stake ETH, which I'm pretty excited about. They're going multi-chain, which I'm really excited about. And kind of breaking news, could be like some serious future alpha. I said it. I'm going to say it. I'm not going to say it for a while, maybe. It's bad. It sucks that Retro's missing out on this major alpha, but that's what he gets for only showing up like once a week nowadays. And that is Layer 0. I posted this in the Discord. Sipping on some Discord yesterday. Layer 0. This is a really interesting technology. I do believe that I can fly, and I do, there's rumors that they're going to have an airdrop, right, for their coin. So I'm really excited to possibly even pick this coin up as it comes out. There's a lot of different ways they speculate you could get the airdrop. One of those is just me doing transactions on apps that use Layer 0 or going to use Layer 0. So I use the shit out of Radiant, and Radiant's one of those partners. But it's a really cool technology, and I've looked at the white paper. I haven't fully read it and digested it because there's quite a bit going on. But the big problem with sending money, and this is actually kind of a technology I discussed a while back that I wanted to invent. as a way to send coins to different networks and have it being native on that chain instead of being wrapped. And it was mostly like in play with things like USDC. So USDC, I think at the end of the day, is just kind of doing that technology on their own now. But with this, it allows you, and it's going to be like the Radiant token. You're going to be able to send the Radiant token to the other chains that they're on, or going to be on, and it won't be bridged and it won't be wrapped. Now, what other attack vectors could there be with that? I don't know. You know, with bridging is a huge attack vector. Shit happens all the time. Vaults, keys, man in the middles and all that. So, but it's really interesting technology. It uses an independent off-chain relayer in line with the Oracle. And it basically, you get your token, your Radiant token over on Arbitrum will get sent over to Binance or whatever, and it won't be wrapped like how most coins do their shit now. And that way, you know, so it wouldn't be WRDNT over on Binance or whatever. It would just be Radiant. And that provides a lot of interesting things when it comes to, you know, being able to, the liquidity and minimizing risk and, you know, the stuff you can do with it. And it's also really cool because it can give you a lot of arbitrage opportunities with just that token. You know, if Radiant's trading less over here, you could send it over cheaply, buy it over. Bots will take care of all that though, right? Someone will write it. You remind me. I remind you of R. Kelly? What the F, bro? I would never pee on underage girls. I would check their ID. The joke is I would pee on girls over 18. The fact that I had to explain that kind of ruins it. And I'm joking. I think I'm joking. Let's see. Let's start a poll. This is going to be would you pee on a really hot opposite? So we got to make this opposite sex if they asked you. So that this is a gender friendly poll. Would you pee on on the opposite sex? Wait, would you pee on you're on a hot sex partner if they, so gender, you know, straight, gay, binary, friendly. Like you can't cancel me. What if she's hot? No, just asked. Would you pee on your, like, whoever you're in bed with that night if they ask you? If they're hot, they're just like a 10. Like, just seeing them get your brick, bro. Just seeing them get your brick. We got one yes. That was quick. Who was quick on the trigger finger there? Don't raise your hand on that one because that's a little bit. You gotta at least think about it for a good 15-20 seconds. If you're firing off before I can even hit submit, I don't know. You might wanna go consult a psychiatrist or something. That almost has to be Ricky. All right, what do we got? Phantom, Fraudora, Clayton, Harmony 1 over 2 cents. All right, let's see what Biddy's doing. 24.86, ETH 1677. That wasn't my vote. I don't have a vote button, bro. Like I would have to pull up my stream to vote. I don't know if Chill Baggins out there, but he would fucking probably vote yes faster than I could blink an eye. All right, let's see what's going on. Actually, let's see what's going on in Cardano really quick. AGX up. Holy shit. AGX up 27%. What the hell did I miss over there? I need to be accumulating this coin, man. More of it anyway. World Mobile Token, basically flat. Men swap. continuing to be a beast. I'm not going to do the joke. I'm not going to do the joke. Who's that guy out there that's been telling you MinSwap would beast up? LQ, that's a garbage chain. Copy, nah. NTX, I love me some NTX. Love me some NTX. This is probably my favorite coin over on Cardano. Meld, excited for their new shit coming out. Indy holding up really well. Excuse me, Pavia up a little bit. Needs to be up a lot more. Mira, Shin. What am I was looking. Why is Sinetta? Oh, here we go. Sinetta, Anetta BTC. I'm really excited for that to launch on Ergo and Cardano. I would morning. I knew that, Jason. Joe Baggins in the house. How you doing, brother? I knew you would pee off. If it was her bed. If it was her bed, I would. If it was my bed, I'm going to have to lay down some plastic or something, or we're going to have to get in the shower. You know what I mean? If she, she didn't even have to be hot. Let me finish that thought. She didn't even have to be hot if she just got stung by a jellyfish. You thought I was majorly disturbed there for a second. Yeah, take it in. You have to. Yeah, but then, all right, I should have, and you can't do it in the shower. Can I edit it? and you can't do it in the shower or the bathtub or anywhere in the bathroom. It has to be in the other part of the house. Like it has to be a hazard area. Let me think. I've done a lot of things. I've never peed on anyone, bro. Not on purpose. Not on purpose. Not even during Hell Week in my fraternity. I don't think I've ever, I'm down for a lot of, that one just like, me, you know, I don't, it's not arousing to me. But again, if she was hot, I'm not doing it. Like I wouldn't do it unless it was in the shower. I mean, the shower is kind of like, if you're one of those people that pee in the shower, raise your hand. I would never pee in the shower. If you're one of those people that pee in the shower and it's an accident, or I don't know, like it's weird. If you're one of those people that turns you on, that's a little weird to me. I mean, you do you. That's just a little weird to me. If you're in the shower, they're getting peed on. Yeah, I don't know if that's how I roll. Pee on their feet. We're not doing it for us. We're doing it for them. If they're into it, I mean, if the chick's into getting peed on, that's a red flag for me. She might be a good F buddy, but that's likely not marrying quality. I mean, there's a lot of other factors she could have that it would offset that. Like if that was her worst problem, that she liked getting peed on, but she made a lot of money, she's really intelligent, she's got a big brain. She's hot, she's a 10, she's not needy. She doesn't nag a lot. I mean, that's almost impossible that there's a female on the planet that doesn't constantly nag. But so you just almost always have to factor that in. If she doesn't look like a smoker, she doesn't smoke. Tom will judge you if you have an odd kink. No, I'm not judging at all. I'm just saying, like, I have some kinks. There's just a few that, like, they're not my kinks. Like, foot fetishes aren't my kinks. In fact, I find feet I find feet in general vile. But some women's feet could definitely brick me up. But there's so much bacteria down there that the Michael Jackson in me gets a little skeeved out. I have no problems with the backside. I don't know. This is getting really weird. I judge you anyway. What do you mean I'll judge you if you have no kinks, you have kinks, you have hair, you have no hair, I'll judge you. I'm a judgy mofo. I'm judging you, Ricky, just for pointing out that I'm judging an odd king. Taking a dump on someone. That's a red flag that I almost probably could never get over. Like if that was her only bad quality and she was a 10 on everything else, I'm probably still going to be like, yeah, that's not going to work. That's a no for me, dog. You remind me of Michael Jackson now that are you just trolling me, Ricky? Like, what about me remind you of Michael Jackson? I can't. What if she wanted to give you a Blumpkin? What? Like, I'd be down for a Blumpkin. Yeah, I'd be. I mean, who would turn down a Blumpkin, Ricky? No one. That's who. There's not a dude on the planet that would turn down a. I mean, it's disgusting, but it would also be like two of the greatest feelings combined in the world. Like if you could do that symphony, what is that called? Where like different measures come around and meet, like a 3/4 and a 4/4, and they come around like every 2 bars and meet. If you could get that together with the like the dump coming out and that, like I can't, like I'm probably losing prescribers and viewers like crazy right now. So way to go, guys. Ricky and Jason, the reason I can't grow my channel because you got me talking about women doing dumps on women's chests and blumpkins. The girls in that McAfee documentary on Netflix said he liked them to take. Oh, yeah, that's bullshit. There's no way anyone's that freaking disturbed. That guy was pretty helter-skelter. So you never know. We got to get off this topic. We got to, like, I've just lost 10 prescribers. Let's get at least like 1 or 2 back. Unlock the power of Bitcoin on any mobile device. This is interesting. Coming soon. Oh, come on, bro. Axo. This is a project on Cardano that's probably never gonna come out. I forget what they even do at this point. Which one's a neobank? Was that Meld? Was that Meld? I forget. Or was that Axo? Neobank? Cogni? Let's see. Juno's going to be a neobank over on Atom. Barnswoggle P. Horsetooth, you out there, brother? I miss him coming to the morning streams. Cogni, Nordic, isn't that on Atom too? Lunar. I could have sworn one of these banks said they're going to be a neobank on Cardano. I don't remember. I think it was Meld. Neo. Oh, bank. It likes it to be one word. The banking stack for DeFi. That's just their website. Meld Neobank. Meld as they did. Meld on Twitter. Crypto project just became its note. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Meld. Oh, by the way, I was talking about that layer 0 before earlier. I believe, and I was trying to find the article, but Trader Joe's is using that layer 0. I believe, like for Avalanche and Arbitrum. Yeah, I have tried Meld's testnet. I don't know that I still have it up, but I can try and find it. The UI is a bit confusing. And it was a little bit, like, I'm pretty excited for it, but let's try and get that up. All right. Everyone have a good steak and blowjob day yesterday. All right, let's go to Meld. Meld's got an update. I wonder if I'll get some Meld tokens for precipitating. Good morning, start of the week. All right, some more updates and changes to the Meld app. We can take a look. Okay, how do I get to the test net? Oh, there was an email. Is there a link? Meld. I just like, why is it so hard to find the test net? I don't want to have to pull up my email. Frequently asked questions. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see if Meld. Testnet. Test. Oh yeah, testnet. Already entered the code. All right, let's pull up the email. There should be a link. Have you? I didn't get neither. Oh, that sucks, bro. I'd ask for a divorce. All right, let's see what Ricky's up to. Random. Would you pee on a... why are you... Kurt, oh yeah, Kurt is missing out on... So is Retro. So is that Slacker Retro. My card may have not been present for a purchase. $37. All right. Meld. Welcome to the Meld testnet. Shall we begin? Go to... I don't... Like... All right. Let me enter this code again. I don't know why... You can get free codes. Every day they're handing out 500. It's pretty easy. You just go over there and do their little thing if you want to try this out. I don't want to restore wallet. Oh yeah, you just log in with a Google account. Which is a little lame. Ricky, excuse you. What the hell? All right, yeah, so this interface is a kind of confusing. Have you used it, Chillbaggins? Oh, Retro's in the house. How you doing, brother? Look at the poll, Retro. You're gonna be like, that's gonna be a WTF, a double WTF. All right, so this is I don't know if all these coins are really gonna be assets. Are they gonna do NFTs too? That's grayed out. But this shit's confusing, man. Like wallet, supplying and borrowing. I did some, like, I don't, it's going to take a little learning to figure out. So supply. Okay. So you come down here and you can hit supply. Let's see. Let's supply. Let's see if this shit works better now, because it wasn't working very good the other day. Yeah, so I hit supply and nothing happens. I don't know if the... Yeah, I had to hit that like 3 times. So there's no wallet interactions. I don't know if this is going to update automatically. Total supplied, it shows 0. Can borrow. Like, why is it taking them so long? They've been out for this project like Liquid existed in the last bull market. It's like they're still working on the UI. Like, who do they got? Okay, so it does show supplied here. All right, so I think this is just not showing total supplied. Uh-oh. My phone just vibrated. Oh, AT&T free message. Paying my phone bill, paying off my phone. Let's see if my DC, it's DCA day, guys. It's DCA. Let's DCA into some fake. Let's DCA some fake money. Today I'm gonna buy. Today I'm gonna buy. I'm liking some. Yeah, I'm liking some Bitcoin. Let's put a little bit of it into Bitcoin today. I'm really liking some Ethereum. Let's do a little bit of that. Dogecoin's down a little bit. Let's put a little bit of money into that. Look at how much DCA works, guys. All right. My DCA is not going through with real money. My nuts vibrated. It's 50-50 now. I would pee on a hot chick if they asked me. The caveat was the caveat I added after the fact is you can't do it in the bathroom. And you can't do it out in the backyard. Like if you're outside, like if you're on a camping trip, then it's no biggie. Well, it is a biggie because then you gotta they're gonna stink like piss for a while. So I guess that is a problem. Retro probably voted no, but we know that's a flat out lie. Retro would pee all over a hot chick if she asked. A hot dude if he asked. There's no doubt in my mind. So this platform, I don't know. It's a little weird. Like having the supply and borrow way down at the bottom is kind of weird. I would probably make this more a little aesthetically pleasing. Let's borrow. What is TIUSD? Oh, that's test IUSD. So we've supplied a bunch of money. Let's see how much we can borrow. $772. It doesn't tell you you're at 2.3. As I'm using this, it's starting to make more sense. 2.3% interest rate is pretty good, but it's not telling me my liquidation thresholds and stuff. Borrow. At the time it went through on one click. I borrowed, let's see, does the wallet tell you anything? I have 9 assets. This is all I have in my wallet. Okay. It doesn't tell me what I have borrowed. It shows that this IUSD is in my wallet, but it doesn't show that it's borrowed. You know, like most platforms, you have supply borrow. I don't know what my liquidation thresholds are. Liquidation penalty, 15%. Okay, it looks like I'm 65% threshold, 62% max loan. So these numbers, I got to understand. RF, what's the frequency, Kenneth? I don't know. There's a little bit to be learned here. The UI is starting to make a little bit more sense, but I'd probably move this. I don't know. What is this right here? Report a bug, feature request, general feedback. General feedback. No, right. But I don't know. All right. We just got a real huge hunger pain. Looks like we might get a little sun today, boys and girls. I got to go out and get my cortisol shot. All right. Anything? Let's pop on over. Actually, let's see what's happening in the markets really quick. Coinbase. Why is it that? Oh, I was at. All right. NASDAQ down 144. Credit Suisse, why do you do this to us? Teddy Swap, garbage project. All right, let's see what's going on with crypto real quick. Ethereum, I should have shorted. God damn it. I'm like missing out on money right now, you fuckers. This is not financial advice. Don't do things because I do it. You don't leverage trade at all. This is fun money. This is fun money. Alani, Nani, Relay, Navani. 1641. DCA market dumping. Yep. I just piled in. I'm going to try and make a little money off this dump. Little dumpy dump. Little dumpy dump dump. Little dumpy dump dump. It's Chad Knight in the house. How you doing, brother? I just placed a 100x. No, I'm kidding. Chad Knight, did you told you yesterday? Why do you always got to come in saying you act like you're the smartest person on the planet? Huh? Huh? Chad Knight, you're gonna tell me you shorted it at 26,200? What the F is going on in Argentina? That's a good question. I don't know what's going on in Argentina. There's a lot of hot women down there. That's probably a deep fake, bro. That's probably a deep fake. Oh, from the World Cup. World Cup these nuts. Thanks for that setup. All right, let's see what's happening on the old Twitter. Sipping on some Twitter. See, I freaking bottom ticked it. I bottom ticked it, boys and girls. 4 million people. Yeah, that's got to be World Cup related. All right. Actually, let's check Radiant real quick. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty tasty in the morning. Rick McCracken. I wonder what would happen if ChatGPT 4 is out. I don't know if that's accessible or you got to be on the prescription plan over there. Learn how to do TA on crypto so well that everyone knew the market was going to do the next day. Okay. Cardano rewards. Cardano CIP 1694 confuses the shit out of me. I don't know what I need to do. I guess I just give my voting rights. Do you understand all this CIP 1694 shit, Chillbaggins? What do you think? Who do you think is Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder of Bitcoin? Breaking news, everyone. I'm Satoshi Nakamoto. Objectively, best PFPs on Cardano. The fact that you're not going to put Clay Nation up there means you're a douchebag. Adam Carolla. Anyone used to listen to Loveline? I bet Joe Baggins did. I grew up on that show. January 6th was the greatest attack on since 9/11. Does he I think he's just being sarcastic. I don't know what he says so much crazy shit all the time. I'm pretty sure he's probably just being sarcastic there. But it's also kind of true. Since 9/11, 1941. He has to be being sarcastic. It wasn't at 9/7. One was Pearl Harbor. Like he's just making a bad joke. That's got to be it, right? Pearl Harbor. That was 9/7, wasn't it? When? Who? When? God damn. You can't put the date? Oh, it showed it. December 7th. Yeah, but yeah, he's just doing a bad joke. Jan 6 was not so bad. I agree that it wasn't so bad, but it was an attack. It was I believe it was an insurrection by a small group of idiots that thought they were doing something. Like, do you really think in today's day and age a group of people could uprise against the United States government? You know how much that's almost impossible, right? You really think, like, even if half the nation woke up, picked up their gun, and decided to attack the United States and try to take over, that's going to be lambs to the slaughter. Loveline was the greatest, dude. I found a torrent download of them. But yeah, Loveline was the freaking greatest. You know, one of my favorite parts about Loveline was them playing Coldplay Clocks at the end. Let's see. Looks like it. Jason, it's probably Surge. And so it's not because of the World Cup? What's 100% over now? Oh my goodness. Ethereum. What are you doing to me? I'm down $11. Should I abort? The Englation? What's an Englation? They're saying Messi. Is that a soccer thing? Oh, speaking of soccer, Hercules. New episode of Ted Lasso tonight. Did you make up a word? Oh, you meant inflation. I'm like, what the F is inflation? All right, duh. What were we doing? Oh, we were going to look at Twitter. Banks suck. Use Cardano. Yeah, sip some more Kool-Aid. AI. How much of this going on is going to affect Anson Official and USDA? Good question. Where is USDA? USDA was supposed to come in the first quarter, bitches. First quarter is almost over. Everyone is waiting to short 28 to 30K, which means Bitcoin won't break 26K short term. It already did. Oh, you mean to the north. It will likely trade between 23 and 26 until the FOMC. I like that analysis. SAAS Wiz. We need to stop letting Gen P. Someone else sent me this. What did this bitch? I mean, what did this girl say? I did not mean to. I just said that in the general.
$30,000. If you saved $1 a day for a year, do you know how much money you'd have? Roughly $30,000. If you saved $1 a day for a year, do you know how much money you'd have? Roughly $30,000. If you saved $1 a day for a year, do you know how much money you'd have? Roughly $30,000. If you saved $1 a day for a year,
there's no way she's that stupid. You see how it clips?
How much money you'd have? Roughly $30,000.
I think that they just found her saying $30,000 at one point, and she was saying this, and there's no way she's that dumb. Someone go find me the original video. Adam Carolla was the best. Those were some of the best years with the Man Show and Loveline. It got a little weird when Loveline did the show on MTV. Nothing beat the radio show. People would come in and they would give great advice. Just a great marketing stunt. She's playing chess. I guess. I don't know that that's playing chess. I'm not a TA wizard, but Ajax is bullish. I guess, bro. Oh, what do we got here? Cincinnati has lost both of their RBs and safeties. Who gives a shit? Where's Mixon gonna go? Their safeties were nothing special, were they? World Mobile B2C app is officially available on Google. CryptoVisor is always saying that there's no Cardano interoperability and use real world applications. I don't know what the fuck he's looking at, because World Mobile is allowing people in Africa to have data plans. There's no data plan available. There's no phone and data plan available by any carrier in the world except for World Mobile Token on Cardano. How do you like them apples, bitch? All right. Huge influx of software orders this morning out of the blue. I don't understand. Software? What's a software? Me trying to use Eternal. It's not that hard, bro. That's a pretty funny picture, though. This is probably Chad Knight trying to use Eternal or Retro. This is Retro and Eternal. All right. Another, I mean, it's a little bit more complicated than MetaMask or Rabby. I'll give you that. Pavia, short clip from our Tokyo themed plaza. Pavia's making moves, man. Is this something I really want to walk around and hang out in? Nah. That's pretty cool if you're into this weird shit. Yeah, AGX pump hard. We talked about that earlier. BTC to 30 next week. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna leave this on for a little bit. Maybe I should have been. Oh my goodness. This was just a stupid. I'm down $22. I'm gonna hang on to it for a minute. What do I do, Chad Knight? Do I board or do I keep my short on? Sold on my Pavia plot? Something? Nah, I'm holding on to mine. They're going to zero. My Pavia is going to zero, or I'm buying an island with it. It could be a retest. No, I don't think you can do stop losses here. My stop loss is I lose my $250. My liquidation $1,780. So that's my stop loss. 1,780 is my stop loss, and I lose $250. Keep the short till 15. Yeah, I'll keep it on. I think it's. Well, let's see what's going on in the stock market. The stock market's trying to rebound a little too, but it's down quite a bit. I don't know that there's going to be any huge dump. I don't know. I'll just keep it on for the hell of it. The 0.5 fib. The Havia pots are just $50. You're probably going to buy some. I don't hate it. I'm not as huge. Like, I don't really know what's going to happen with the metaverse. I think the metaverse is going to be a big part of like a future, but I don't know if like this Gen 1 like sandbox shit and decentralized shit and Pavia. Jason thinks Pavia is going to take off. I hope so. I got a lot of Pavia tokens. I got some Pavia plots. I'm okay with them being worth money. I bought them with free money, down a little bit. I'm not worried about it, right? If they go to zero, I've already considered them a complete loss with the chance of not being. So I'm good. I'm all good in the head on that. All right, everyone, 7:57 a.m. As much as I'd love to hang out all day, I'm taking the safe option. I'm only buying. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. BTC is a solid 2x, 3x minimum. If you had $100 million and you plowed $10 million into Bitcoin, 5 to 10%, 5 million, 10 million, I think that's a solid move, right? I really do. Me, I'm a little bit more risk on. This is my bank. I'm standing in line at the bank right now. The bank is right in front of me. Anyway, 7:58 a.m. 50 and clear. I don't know if there's sun out there. I think they're a little bit cloudy. What's the water like down there for you, chill baggins? Do you go to work today in your motorboat? Do you go to work today in a canoe? All right. Let's see what's happening in crypto real quick. Bitcoin 24/7. It looks like it's trying to bounce. I'm gonna if this gets to like 1670, I'll probably pull it off. Speaking of, yeah, people laying off people is good for stocks and good for inflation. So that's actually positive news. The worst trader. I'm the worst trader ever. I don't know if that's a very nice thing to say, Chad Knight. I never claimed to be a fucking day trader. This is just something to. First of all, if you think you're a good trader, if you're probably going to end up losing all your money. If that's you're just joking. Yeah, this is just fun money, right? I'm not like there was no reason for me to long or short, right? A lot of this is just me kind of getting comfortable with the process. You're a TA wizard. Yeah. You're a TA snake oil salesman. Technical analysis is borderline useless. That's what I think of technical. Like technical analysis doesn't do you any good other than looking back of what happened. And if you can figure out what the algorithms are going to dump or pump on, then you might have an edge, but you don't. The markets are efficient. You know what that means? You know what it means that markets are efficient? There's no edge. There's no edge. The second you think you have do it. If you find an edge, do it until it stops working and don't tell anyone, right? That's the only edge you're ever going to. If you found some magical formula that's working, but more and more people find that formula, the edge is gone, right? And, if you're successful at trading, day trading, swing trading, congratulations, because you are in the elite. You are in the elite. And you constantly got to be on your toes because it just takes one day of not having enough sleep and making a bad decision and getting destroyed, right? That's not the kind of life I enjoy. Watching the mainstream news, you would think we're all underwater. That's real hot. Don't tell anyone. How many times have you heard atmospheric rivers? Yeah, that's a very good point. I never heard that term until about the last year. And now that's what all the meteorologists say. Day trading is a joke for most people, for 99.9, and the people that tell you they're good at it are lying. It's such an easy thing to fake that you're really good at it because you just show your winners. You might even believe you're good because of your winners. But anyway, I challenge anyone out there to completely show all their trades, all their day trades, open ledger, and let's see how many of them make money. I guarantee you it's a very, 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 very small few. And there's not a whole, there's going to be outliers, but it's minimal. Yeah, 1% successful. I think that's being generous. Anyway, anywho, hope you all have a great day, great night, great whatever. I'm off. Got to go program some switches and firewalls and get to that grind. Make that monthly nut. Love you all and